White text on a black background. It's neat, clean, crisp. But what if you could make your background more interesting? Well, that's an easy enough task with Simplified. All you have to do is click on your artboard, then click the More button in the top menu represented by these three dots, and a side menu will pop up with gradients listed at the bottom. Go ahead and click that. And you can see that you'll be presented with 27 pre-designed gradients to choose from. And with each one, you'll see that you have the options to further adjust the gradients to make each one uniquely your own. Let's go over what those options are. First, you can change the colors that you're combining. Second, if you click on the settings here, you can adjust how much of either color is dominating the artboard. And lastly, you can adjust the angle where the colors meet by using this toggle switch right here. And there you have it. Easy ways to spice up your artboard with pre-made or custom designed gradients with Simplified. For more tips and tricks on how to design an eye-catching artboard, sign up at simplified.com. See you there.